Kernel Salesforce Backup tool is an excellent utility for individuals and businesses working with Salesforce organization. It allows seamless backups and restore data while preserving the integrity and structure of data. Backing up data using Kernel Salesforce Backup tool ensures the safety of business-critical data against corruption, accidental deletion, and system errors. For the existing backups, you can use the tool to restore all or selective data without affecting the functioning of your Salesforce organization. This Salesforce Backup tool also allows you to schedule backup and restore jobs according to your availability without manually running again and again. Let's now proceed to see how this tool actually works. Press Windows plus Q to open the search bar on your system and then type Kernel Cloud Backup to launch the tool. Now, go to Add Project to create a new project and then click on the project name, and from the right pane of the window click Add Job. In the wizard opened, select Salesforce module and then name the job, and click on Next to create a new job. As you create a job, the tool will take you to the connection screen. Enter the asked login details to allow the tool to develop connection with the Salesforce organization. However, if you don't know how to get client ID and client secret, follow the guide given below the asked credentials. After entering the details, press the Next button to connect with the Salesforce organization. Tap on the Browse button to define a destination path where you want to save the Salesforce backup on your system. You can also create a new folder to save the backup with hierarchy separately. Next step is to see if you want to run the backup job immediately or want to schedule process later. Select Execute Immediate to run the process straight away or tap on Schedule to run the process later. With the scheduling feature, you can select to execute once, daily, weekly, or even monthly as per your availability or requirement. Click Next and the backup job you just created will begin extracting the data to your system's local storage or network drive. You can check the progress of the running job by clicking on the project name. On the window, you can see multiple buttons with different functionalities above the progress summary of backup process. From there, you can add a new job, remove any running or previous job from the list, pause any running job, or start a completed job again. Click Refresh to see the most recent update in the progress. You can also check out the backup report by clicking on the Backup Report button. Once the process is complete, click on the Backup Report and in the new wizard, you can click View Details to see the thorough information on the instance. Check out the backup logs or save the report to CSV file if needed. As we have now completed the backup process, let's move ahead to learn how to restore Salesforce data from previous or existing backup. In the Kernel Cloud Backup tool, click on the Restore tab on the left pane of the window and then select Salesforce from the right pane. Now from the options, specify if you want to use previous backup or existing backups from your system's local or network storage. Select Restore Backup Drive Path selection according to backup projects and jobs or select the backup drive path to restore. Use the Browse button to provide the destination path to the existing backups and then click Next to proceed. From the list, select preferred backup you want to proceed with to restore your Salesforce organization and then pick if you want to import data or metadata. Press the Next button. It's time to select the objects you are looking to proceed to import Salesforce data. Use the search box to look for the specific objects you want to restore or use the filter option to segregate data as creatable or not creatable. After that, tap the Next button. Define the restore mode by selecting one of the given options and proceed. Update existing record and create remaining record. Skip existing record and create remaining record. Create duplicate if existing and create remaining record. In the end, provide the required details to connect the tool with the destination Salesforce account and click on Next. This initiates the process of restoring data to your intended Salesforce organization. You can check out the complete progress of the restore process in real time through the wizard. Once the process is completed, you will see the completion summary. Check restore logs or save the complete restore report to your system as a CSV file. By following this video, you can easily back up or restore data to your Salesforce organization within minutes. You can learn more about Kernel Salesforce Backup tool by visiting the following link. Have a great day.